It looks like AVAX's price has dropped by -2.50% in the last 24 hours. Last week, Avalanche cost $9.11 at the same time. Now worth $10.34, it has changed by 12.93% in the last week. In fact, AVAX has dropped by -2.50% in the last 24 hours. There is a small bearish mood in the cryptocurrency market. Long-term, though, people are still bullish, and AVAX could reach $14.88 in 2024. As of the time this piece was written, there were 550, 134, 24.26 Avalanche coins in circulation. The market capitalization of AVAX is still $3,675,422,694. A look at the AVAX price. In the 12 months from October 2022 to October 2023, the clearest direction for AVAX was downward. In the current trading situation, the bears had a firm hold on the market and were consistently undermining the bulls' efforts. As of the end of our study window in October 2023, the price was $9.95. Guessing the price of an Avalanche. Avalanche has had a busy 2021. We split the most recent AVAX price prediction into two parts, a short-term Avalanche price prediction and a long-term Avalanche price prediction. This makes the estimate easier to understand. As of the time this piece was written, 288,069,219 AVAX had been traded. In the last 30 days, Avalanche has gone up by 16.78%. The short-term Avalanche price forecast for December 2023 says that the average price of AVAX will be $21.14, and the highest price that could happen would be $22.62. After looking into the long run, we found that the average price of Avalanche in April 2024 will be $12.97, and the most it could cost that month would be $13.88. Avalanche's price prediction for the short term. Date average price range from lowest to highest. October 26, 2023, $11.13, $10.35, $11.91. October 27, 2023, $11.59, $10.78, $12.40. October 28, 2023, $11.77, $10.94, $12.59. October 29, 2023, $11.79, $10.97, $12.62. October 31, 2023, $13.36, $12.43, $14.30. October 8, 2023, $15.01, $13.96, $16.06. November 18, 2023, $18.62, $17.32, $19.92. In December 2023,